Continental SportContact 7 versus the Nexen and Fera Sport SU2. It's benchmark versus budget challenger. The SportContact 7 has ruled the UUHP segment for the last 2 years, while the Nexen SU2 aims to punch above its weight. Can it land a surprise, or will Continental champions stay on top? Let's find out. Throughout this comparison, you see performance metrics represented in percentages, with the Continental SportContact 7 set as the reference point at 100%. These results are sourced from 2025 Autobuild Sports Car UUHP tire tests. In wet braking, the Continental stopped 5.2 meters shorter, an 11% advantage over the Nexen. Wet handling was close, with the Continental lapping 0.9 km per hour faster, a 1% edge. In straight line aquaplaning, however, the Nexen maintained grip until 105.2 km per hour, a 0.4 km per hour better than Continental. However, this results in a negligible 0% difference. In dry braking, the SportContact 7 stops 3.2 meters earlier, a 10% advantage. In dry handling, it also managed a 2.1 km per hour higher average speed than Nexen, giving it a 2% lead. On exterior noise, the Nexen was 2 dB quieter, offering a 3% improvement in rolling noise. When it comes to rolling resistance, the Continental recorded an 8.5 coefficient value versus Nexen's 8.9, giving it a 4% advantage in rolling resistance. Nexen's fight back when it comes to pricing. In the size 245/35 R20, the Nexen is around 48% cheaper than the Continental. In summary, the winner is clear. The Continental SportContact 7. It delivers superior braking, sharper handling, and better rolling resistance. The Nexen and Fera Sport SU2 impresses with lower noise and value for money, but can't match the all-round performance benchmark set by the SportContact 7.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.